So here's the question. What about the condition that all terms are positive? Well, I'm going to do this. This series, as n goes from 1 to infinity, of 1 over 2n minus 3, I could rewrite it. Okay, when n is 1, what's the first term? Negative 1. Negative 1. And when n is 2, I get 1. When n is 3, I got 2 times 3, I get 1/3. So this is what the series is if I write out a few terms. So I got negative 1 when I plug in 1. I get 1 when I plug in 2. When I plug in 3, I get 1/3. When I plug in 4, I get 1/5. When I plug in 5, I get 1/7. And now I'm seeing now I have negative 1 plus 1. I could rewrite it and start the whole thing with 1/3. That's not what I intended, though, to answer your question. I had intended to do this. Well, this is negative 1 plus the series as n goes from 2 to infinity of 1 over 2n minus 3. So then I would say what I'm really doing is I'm applying the limit comparison test to this, which does have positive terms. So if there's some terms in the beginning that don't quite fit, well, I just say, okay, I'll consider those terms separate. I know what happens if I add a negative 1, and then just look at the rest of it.